guys, hey, so today we have a dead lawn. Jeremy of the greener lawn. Some seed here and a pile of sand. Let's go. All right, folks, so let's go over the plan and then we're just gonna do it. So step one, I'm going to be putting down some of the seed. I'm gonna put seed down on my freshly aerated and freshly dead lawn. Then I'm gonna put down some of this, where is it? Right over here, back there. Humic DG, I'm gonna put down a bunch of humic DG on the front. I'm gonna put down starter fert. Then we're gonna throw down some sand, and then we're gonna throw down some more seed. So let's get to it.
Would you look at that humic? That granular form of humic. And your lens is dirty. Let's go.
So I'm gonna be putting down the seed. Jeremy of the greener lawn is gonna be putting down some humic. And cue the hyperlight.
Red just barely opens up this hopper on this humic. I'm gonna open it all the way up. He wants this whole back down. I'm not walking around all day. Would you look at that? It's empty.
Get shovelfuls and just throw them out on the lawn. All right, people, we've taken care of the yard. We've leveled it really well. Now I'm gonna put down some more seed, some more starter fertilizer, and that's gonna be about it. So I didn't have a huge area that needed to be leveled, number one, and I didn't have a ton of leveling that needed to be done. I wasn't bringing it up a couple of inches. If you've got big undulations in your soil, in your lawn, you're gonna need to level those areas with soil. Soil is going to be able to fill those areas in better than the sand. So for my application, I wanted to use sand because sand has a little bit better leveling properties. It's gonna help with the drainage. It's gonna help with the water flow in my lawn. And I'm really going for a really super smooth, flat, level lawn because I'm mowing super short with a reel mower. So, you know, a lot of people use soil. A lot of people use soil and compost, or sand and compost, or sand and soil. I wanted to go with sand only. I've had good success with it in the past, and I really only needed to fine tune. All right, so for my starter fertilizer I'm using today, I'm using this Anderson starter fertilizer. It's a 2027.5. You can pick it up on Amazon, link in the description below, all that good jazz. Yeah, so anyways, that's about all I got for today. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next one. Not a big... Hush! No! Stop!